ANC isinqumele ugwayi katiki amalungu ayo ukuba asombulule izinkinga ezikhungethe i-Eskom. ANC nesithangami sabezindaba emva komhlangano wayo wesigungu esiphezulu ngempelasonto.
It's incumbent upon all of us as deployees of the ANC to at all times to respect the conference resolutions, including the deployees of the ANC who are deployed in government. It's important for them to observe and respect the conference resolution, because we get to be deployed in government through the mercy and the behest of the African National Congress. Now, as Luthuli House, we are clear to all our deployees, can you act swiftly now, once and for all, and get Eskom fixed?
Kungenzeka lo mlayezo uqondiswe kungqongqoshe wezamabhizinisi ombuso uPravin Gordhan noma ke ungqongqoshe wezamandla uGwede Mantashe. Bobabili bayizithunywa ze-ANC. Yize kunje leli qembu ligcizelele ukuthi amabhizinisi ombuso angeke edayiselwe abantu abazimele.
We are not going to privatize anything, but we have said as the African National Congress, we have policy positions. What we need to be doing and will be guided by, at all times will be guided by policy conference decisions we have actually taken.
Leli qembu lichithile imbiko eputshukile esilihlela ukususa uRamaphosa kwesokwengamela.
Unity of top 6 is sacrosanct. We don't know what the papers are talking about, because the relationship between the president of the ANC and the rest of the top 6, we never have issues.
I-ANC kumanje ilungiselela umbungazo we-January 8 statement lapho umengameli elandisa ngosekwenziwe yiqembu kulonyaka nelizokwenza onyakeni omusha. Lo mbungazo wendlalela inkulumo kamengameli asuke eyethulela isizwe ngoNhlolanja. Kulokhu uzobanjelwa eKimberley.